How to look clean and fresh all day long. As the temperatures rise, it can be a real challenge to maintain that fresh and put together look. But fear not, I've got you covered with some game-changing advice that will have you looking and feeling your best all day long. So, grab a cool drink, sit back, and let's dive into this ultimate guide to summer beauty. But before you hit that skip button, stick around. Today's video covers essential tips on how to look clean and fresh. Trust me, it's worth watching till the end. This video includes hygiene routine, hair, freshen up, clothes. Let's start. Jump in the shower. To stay fresh, start your day by cleansing your body. During the hot summer months, it's important to maintain good hygiene and feel fresh. Opting for cooler baths can not only help you beat the heat but also cleanse your skin effectively. Use a loofah or exfoliating scrub 2 to 3 times a week to slough off dead skin cells and prevent clogged pores. Pay special attention to areas prone to sweat and odor, such as underarms and feet, by using an antibacterial soap or wash. After showering, pat your skin dry gently with a towel to avoid irritation, especially in sensitive areas. Apply a lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and supple without feeling heavy. Wear deodorant. To stay clean and fresh in the summer heat, wearing deodorant is essential. Choose a deodorant or antiperspirant that suits your body's needs and preferences. Look for products that offer long-lasting odor protection and sweat control. Apply deodorant to clean, dry skin, focusing on areas like your underarms where sweat and odor tend to accumulate. Reapply throughout the day as needed, especially after physical activity or spending time outdoors in the heat. Opt for deodorants with refreshing scents to keep you feeling clean and fresh all day long. Oral care. The best way to keep your breath smelling good is to have proper dental hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day with fluoride toothpaste and floss daily to remove plaque and food particles between teeth. Additionally, using a mouthwash can help kill bacteria and freshen breath. Don't forget to clean your tongue using a tongue scraper or the back of your toothbrush to eliminate bacteria that cause bad breath. Regular dental checkups and cleanings are also essential for optimal oral health. Aside from brushing your teeth, there's no quicker or better trick for freshening your mouth. Having a drink of water rinses away food particles that can build up in your mouth and cause bad breath. Nail care. To keep your nails looking clean and fresh, regularly trim and file them to maintain a neat shape, and make sure to keep them clean by scrubbing gently with a nail brush. Additionally, moisturize your cuticles daily with cuticle oil or a hydrating cream to prevent dryness and cracking. Applying a clear nail polish or nail strengthener can also help protect your nails and give them a healthy, polished look. Avoid biting your nails or using them as tools to maintain their appearance and strength. Foot care. To keep your feet looking clean and fresh, wash them thoroughly every day with soap and water, ensuring to clean between the toes and dry them completely to prevent fungal infections. Regularly exfoliate with a pumice stone or foot scrub to remove dead skin cells and reduce calluses. Moisturize your feet daily with a thick, hydrating lotion to keep the skin soft and prevent dryness. Trim your toenails straight across and file any rough edges to avoid ingrown nails. Wear breathable shoes and change your socks daily to maintain dryness and prevent odors. Additionally, consider using foot powder or antifungal spray if you are prone to sweating or infections. To maintain clean and healthy hair and achieve versatile hairstyles, start with a consistent hair care routine. Wash your hair with a shampoo and conditioner suited to your hair type, ensuring to thoroughly rinse out all products. Use a deep conditioner or hair mask weekly to keep your hair hydrated and strong. After washing, gently towel dry and apply a leave-in conditioner or serum to protect against heat and environmental damage. Regularly trim your hair to remove split ends and maintain its shape. Hairstyles. For styling, begin with a blow-dry using a round brush for volume or a paddle brush for smoothness. For everyday styles, consider simple options like a sleek ponytail, a messy bun, or loose waves created with a curling iron or flat iron. To switch things up, try braids, such as a French braid or fishtail braid, or go for a half-up, half-down style. Remember to use a heat protectant spray before using hot tools and a light hairspray or styling cream to set your look and control frizz. Freshen up your hair. Rain, wind and general rushing around can mess up your hair and leave it limp by mid of the day. Bring a comb or brush with you so you'll always be able to fix your hair if you need to. You may also want to bring a small bottle of hairspray or gel to help it stay neatly in place. If your hair tends to look a little greasy by midday, try dry shampoo. You just sprinkle a little on the spots that look greasy, let the powder sit for a few minutes, then brush it out. Another trick is to put your hair up into a bun or ponytail to instantly give yourself a freshness style for the remainder of the day. Use sanitary wipes to quickly cleanse yourself. This might be helpful if you're in a humid climate and don't have time for a second shower. Be sure to use unscented wipes, since the scented kind has a strong smell. Wipe where necessary, then reapply deodorant and you're good to go. Brush your teeth after lunch. If you tend to feel less than fresh after lunch, start bringing along a travel toothbrush and toothpaste so you can quickly clean your mouth and feel better right away. A travel-sized bottle of mouthwash is also handy to bring. And when you don't have these items handy, you can always pop a breath mint or a piece of peppermint gum. Be prepared in case your period starts. There's nothing worse than having your period start in the middle of the day when you don't have access to a drugstore. Think ahead and pack everything you need to keep yourself fresh during your period. Have enough tampons or pads so that you can change them every few hours. Fit and tailoring. Choose clothes that fit well and flatter your body shape. Tailoring can help achieve a more polished look. Fabric choice. Opt for fabrics that are easy to maintain and resist wrinkles, such as cotton blends, knits, or wrinkle-resistant materials. Cleanliness. Ensure your clothes are clean and well laundered. Pay attention to stains and odors, and address them promptly. Ironing and pressing. Iron or steam your clothes to remove wrinkles and creases. This gives a crisp and neat appearance. Accessories. Use accessories like belts, scarves, and jewelry strategically to enhance your outfit without overpowering it. Shoes and grooming. Ensure your shoes are clean and in good condition. Pay attention to grooming details like hair, nails, and overall personal hygiene. And there you have it, my top tips on how to look clean and fresh all day long in the summer. So go ahead, embrace the summer season with confidence and radiate that fresh, clean glow wherever you go. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay cool, stay fresh, and stay fabulous.